Dos Hermanas, Spain, June 2nd, 2022. An ordinary day turned into chaos when a sudden fire broke out in the suspended ceiling of an aluminum profile factory. Fire. Within seconds, the flames spread across nearly three-quarters of the roof and ceiling, threatening the entire site. But thanks to the quick response of firefighters and health services, the blaze was brought under control in just 48 seconds. Man firefighter police Garlight. The best part, no casualties were reported. Folded hands. The National Science Police is still investigating the cause of the fire. This incident is a powerful reminder. In industrial environments, safety protocols are not optional. One small mistake can lead to massive consequences. Warning. In a cotton factory, a sudden fire erupts. Fire. One worker bravely tries to put out the flames with his bare hands, but the cotton quickly catches onto him as well. Somehow, he manages to escape and save his life. Other workers rush in, but the fire keeps spreading through the cotton. Warning, remember, never try to fight fire without proper safety gear. Always use fire extinguishers and follow emergency exits, because nothing is more valuable than life.